All right, this is day one of the Topstep Trader Combine. Pull this over. You can see it's a 10-day combine. Start January 22nd. That's today. Days completed 0. $30,000 account. Max position size is 3. Daily loss limit is 500. Max drawdown is 1500. So that's where we're starting. Let's see. So today, overnight inventory kind of neutral. We've traded above and below yesterday's settlement. So we opened up at 41 quarter. Now we're kind of drifting down. Fair price is currently 1840 quarter. We got 17,000 cars there, and you had 12,000 sellers come in, and now they're getting it to go lower. So yesterday was an outside day. If I step out here, you can see this was a holiday. It was Martin Luther King Day, so that's why it was. I think there was like half a day trading or something. So that's that small range right there was for the holiday. So yesterday we opened out of balance, traded all the way below Friday's low, and then we came back and closed right inside. So now that we're open in balance, overnight inventory was inside yesterday's range. So looking to probably fade the extremes of 1844 even, maybe down to 1826 quarter. If we look in here, see the volume really cuts off pretty much at the overnight low, 34 3 quarter. A little bit of volume down here, not much though. 25,000 cars at 29 quarter. So since we're opening in balance and overnight inventory is neutral, we're just going to sit on our hands and watch for a while. Since this is the first day, I'm just trading one lot, and I'm going to trade one lot until I can build a little cushion in the account, and then I'll try to add a second lot. But for now, just one lot. All right, so I'm long 39 quarter. You see we had 13,000 buyers step in. You have a little step in the profile right here. We're pretty close. When we went down and tested settlement exactly, bounced up. You also got now we're back to my price. So I really don't want it to get, I don't want it to start filling in these 38 halves. So I may jump out if it gets there. I'm looking for 48, 41 half right up here. See if we can get up there to kind of test this upper extreme. Probably gonna have to jump out. All right, so I jumped out of that. We 38 half. There was like 800 on the bid, and it was kind of holding for a little bit, and then it went down to like 600, 500. We started trading in it, so I jumped. That and fair price now dropped to 39 even. So sit and watch for a while. So it's been really slow. We pushed down. C period broke below B period. Getting close to overnight low. No real volume though. We may just kind of continue to drift lower. If we could come down here, test this, and maybe get some volume to lean off, maybe try a long. So we're kind of getting a failed breakout here. D look below C period by one tick and then bounce back, but we've been one time framing down. Fair prices stayed the same at 39 even. Just, I don't know. Looks like we need to go lower. This just doesn't look very secure to try to lean off. So we are getting a nice bounce out of that failed breakout. We looked below and basically tested the overnight low. Missed it by one tick. Over here you can see the volume really thins out right at 34 3 quarter. We got 30,000 cars there, then it drops to 12,000, 9,000, 8,000. Gets really thin. So kind of bouncing out of that. Maybe we'll get back to fair price at 39 even. It's 11:16 East Coast time. It's been really slow, so let's see. So for opportunities, I think it would be tough to short anywhere until we get somewhere up here. It's 17,000 cars and we step down to 11,000. And maybe 41 quarter steps down again. So maybe somewhere way up here, but I don't know if we're going to get there. Here's the open. We've never come close to it all day. Just held below it. 16,000 buyers went up. Then fewer buyers, 11,000 went up again. Then fewer buyers, 9,000. We rolled over. For some reason, when I look at this, I just think it's going to continue down and then shape like that. No idea if that's right, but on the profile, if we get below this, and I think we'll kind of fall out of bed, which when I look at this, that's what I think is going to happen, which is probably why I really didn't want to buy this. I put a bid up kind of late and just canceled it. So I think that's all I can really do. Just wait to see if we can get up to somewhere around 40 even. Anywhere up here. Otherwise, I don't know. I would wait to see what happens if we can break down this. Alright, so I'm short leaning off these 14,000 sellers and this volume area right here. So now it's gotten bid against me. So I really don't want to see us get above 36.75. Start trading into 37 even. Alright, I'm out. We came in. We got 15,000 buyers stepping in, so. Alright, we got fair price to drop to 36.5. 35,000 cars are there. Alright, so we got a really nice bounce out of this false breakout. So maybe we got some shorts stuck here and we bounced higher. I was expecting us to break this and roll over, and of course we did the exact opposite. That was why I took a short trying to lean against this. So we'll see if, I mean, this would be a nice area to short if I could get some volume, but we only have 7,000 cars here. And if we got another 10,000, then we're going to be at 49,000, and fair price is going to jump up here. So it's really tough. I'm just going to sit on my hands, wait for something better. So I was looking at this as a possible short. Originally it was 7,800 sellers, something like that. I was hoping we could get more volume, but then if you got more volume, then fair price was going to shift up, and that happened. So now 39 quarter, yeah, 42,347. I mean, I like the location for a short, but there's no volume to lean off, and now can't really lean off this because you're leaning off fair price. So just watching. So a very thin day today. It's an inside day. Tomorrow we have some economic numbers coming out, so we may get hopefully we'll break out of the range and we can kind of go with something. So I just took two trades today, -3 and -3. The first one I took was a long off 39 quarter. So all this volume wasn't here yet, but I was trying to lean off this. Maybe not ideal compared to yesterday's volume right here. And then I took a short at 36 even, trying to lean off some sellers, but you're kind of selling right into this. So I'm happy I cut my losses early. Otherwise it would have been -5 and -7. So I cut my losses and basically jumping out when I thought traders going against me, so that's a good thing. And now I'm only down 6 ticks, so hopefully tomorrow we'll get some more action.